1320 Video goes to Germany to dig up as much badass content as we can across the country. In this series, we speed across the Autobahn, go sightseeing in several spots across the country, visit several of the best builders and tuners in the region, stumble across a massive private European car collection, get down at the Race 1000 top speed half-mile event, fall in love with the Nürburgring, get an inside look at a GT3 race in Belgium, and much more. Let's get right to it. So after the Nürburgring, we stopped by this pub and we got some drinks, and we run into these guys from HonDan Engineering from London, or somewhere over in the UK. And we've seen him racing today in his NA car. He went to go get his turbo car, which is right here, and offered to give Woody a ride in the NA car tomorrow. So we're excited for that because Woody didn't have a chance to go for a ride. So we're getting a little preview of what his car is all about. Nice. All right, good morning again from Germany. We're getting kidnapped by Germans and Audis, and we gotta say goodbye to Frank.
Yeah.
Thanks
Morning.
for everything, Frank.
No, thank you guys for coming over. Really appreciate your time. Like, was really pleasure, and hope to see you all.
I know we'll be seeing you again. Probably next year sometime.
Yeah. No, awesome. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Well,
Right, cheers,
let's hop
guys.
in the
Thanks a
Audi
lot.
and
Yeah.
thank you. See where we're heading. All right, where to?
Was ist Classic Monodrom, ne?
Classic Motor or something.
No. Would you like to join Classic Remis or Motor World? I think Motor World is more famous and larger.
Motor World. Here we go. Cool. All right, so the classic car collection was kind of a bust. It was under construction. We're heading back to the Nürburgring so Woody can get a ride with the guys we met last night. You excited? It's gonna be awesome. We dropped off the guys to get a rental car. Michael's got this Audi wagon we're in. And I don't know if you know, but our current passenger record on the Autobahn that we're on right now is 134 in Alex's van, miles an hour. So if we can get through this traffic, maybe we can up that a little bit. Oh, we might have a break in traffic. 120. This is gonna be it for sure. 134, 135, woo! New high score. 139, 140, 142, woo! 144, hell yeah. Man, I'm glad we don't have to go back from Germany saying the fastest one on the Autobahn was in a minivan. Thank you, Michael, I appreciate that. What's up, Mr. Boosted Boris? How's it going?
That's a name I haven't heard in a while. Good, how are you guys?
Good. Well, actually, we were having drinks here last night and ran into some guys with some Hondas from the UK. Cool. And they were big fans of ours. And now Woody's going out to go for a ride with them. And so we came back to the ring.
Awesome.
Disneyland for race cars.
It is.
I love it out here.
Well, since you're back, I think we can give you also a nice ride.
That'd be awesome. Very cool. You guys have quite the lineup here.
Yeah, what about that one over there?
Yeah, looks pretty good. They all look pretty nice.
They do.
Yeah, and I know the Shermer name.
You know the Sherman name?
Yeah, I've seen it a lot around here.
Yeah, Shermer is being known as the place to go if you want to make your BMW more special, to make it able to upset some Porsche's GT3 RSs, but I guess you want to hear what's done to this car.
Of course.
So this is a BMW F80 M3, which started as a competition pack with 450 horsepower, but after a couple of mods it produces now 500 plus wheel horsepower. But the main magic of the Team Shermer is actually the kinematic setup, so all the trailing arms are completely changed, so the whole geometry of suspension is changed. This is something you'll be able to feel eventually once we go out on the track. It's very secretive what's exactly has been done to it, but the whole geometry is changed, and the metals that are being used are also used in aerospace engineering. So the car is very stiff and it has just unknown levels of grip. It has now 15,000 kilometers, which makes it what's my mile calculation divided by 1.6, so it's actually easy. It's 9,000 miles.
Holy cow. Yeah. All on the Nürburgring?
On the Nürburgring, yeah, within the last 2.5 months. So it's a pure track weapon, and actually the only thing that it asks for, a bit of love of course, and lots of front brake pads and tires.
Sweet. Well, the ring's opening up here in just a little bit.
Yeah, in about an hour. So
get things ready and
hop in and have some fun with it. In case you're wondering what's up with those cars, no, those are not the rental cars. These are guest cars because this is actually our hotel. So if you want to...
Really? I'm checking out the Apex Hotel.
Diana, our hotel manager, asked not to jump on the bed, so sorry.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at race cars driving by all day, too. Oh, look, there's a GT3. Oh, my God. That's awesome.
Thank you.
What's an average night cost here?
It starts from 79 euros for the basic rooms.
That's super cheap.
If there's like a big event happening, then it's ×2, roughly. Yeah, if you want to stay here with the amazing mailbox,
so you're full service.
You can just look it up on booking.com at Apex Nürburgring, and that'll be easy as that. Check out what we have inside.
Ooh. But wait, there's more.
Hello.
Oh. What the hell? Come all the way from the States to see a US drift car. That's amazing. Ooh, wow. It looks like it's all brand new. Holy cow. Random.
Yeah, another car I can show you is our McLaren 675 LT.
Oh yeah.
Like I told you previously, we also run the 720S as a taxi, which will be actually a camera chase car of this car when it's going to go sideways. I hope there's going to be some amazing behind the scenes shots.
Using a McLaren to chase a Mustang for video, I love it.
Just the Nürburgring things. Yeah, 675 LT, what is special about it? It's a roof scoop version, which I believe are only 80 of them made. But most importantly...
20,600 kilometers.
Yeah, which is basically 12,000 miles, only on the track. So it's 675 LT with the highest mileage in the world, probably, and the only one with track mileage like this. It does. So yeah, let's wait till we can go on the track.
Cool. We found HonDan. We're gonna be meeting up with him right after we go out in the BMW. So on the Nürburgring, you can literally bring whatever you want out here. It's a public toll road. Does this ever get old?
I don't know.
You get to see a little bit of everything. What's the craziest thing you've seen go through the gates?
No, the craziest thing, I was actually fortunate enough to go out with it, is a Ford GT, the latest model of 2019, which is adjusted for manual controls because the driver is handicapped.
Really? Hand-controlled Ford GT on the ring?
Ford GT, yeah. With a wheelchair on the roof and a suitcase.
No way.
Yeah. So there's a video, maybe you can link it down below.
Hell yeah. The BMW is back. Hey, Whitty, sit up front.
Okay.
We'll just adjust it once you close the door. There we go.
So Moritz, maybe we can start with you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Moritz. I like to drive cars fast, and that's my daily job.
But other than that,
most of the people in the world hate you because that's your job, right?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Love it. No, it doesn't. In the back seat.
Running fast left-hander. Race car that's sped out. 130 miles. Brakes.
Holy crap.
Team Towers do really well. Woo! The Kia Sport and
There we go. That's the brake, jump brake.
There you go. That was fun.
Oh, yeah.
the new exhaust is not really YouTube friendly.
Oh, that's okay.
What do you think of the handling, guys?
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's nice.
The grip is good.
No, the grip's wild. Like,
Good driving.
Yeah,
that was
he
awesome.
he also races in the States, by
That
the
was
way.
awesome. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
So give him a follow on Instagram.
Yeah, definitely.
Tell him how much you hate him for his job. But he also does coaching also in the States. So if you want to learn to drive taxi, get your taxi license, to do it like a New York cabbie or something.
Yeah, Uber
you can do it
license.
probably, yeah.
That was awesome.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, Misha.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great driving.
Well, I have the greatest boss in the world, as I already knew. But he let me sit in the front seat of my dream car on the Nuremberg.
Hell yeah.
Is, like, I mean, does it get any better?
Oh yeah. You look different without a drink in your hand. How's it going?
You alright?
Good. Car's looking good. Well, we found Dan again, and we're out here in the parking lot of Nürburgring. And it's funny, everyone gathered around the Honda. We got like $250,000 cars out here. And everybody's checking out the Turbo Honda. And we're gonna go find the NA1 that Woody's riding in. Woo. He looks happy. So?
Well, I don't think I'm supposed to say this, but it was more fun than the BMW.
Completely different car.
It hooked better,
Really?
it cornered better, and he's a real good driver.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Hell yeah.
Dude, we got so lucky, track closed.
Did you do 2 laps?
Yeah. We were passing Audi R8s and 911 Turbos, Aston Martins. I don't know how this only has 250 horsepower.
An all-motor Honda.
That felt real good.
Good old Honda. Misha cycles on it.
Stick hooky tires.
Ooh.
Hit the apexes really nice. Like, that was super dope. That was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You did a lap of this?
2 laps.
2 laps.
Yeah. It's so quick you thought we only did 1. That was cool though. Hey Dan, thanks man. That was awesome.
There it is.
Cool little 2-litre stock engine.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, pleasure, man.
Thank you.
Cool, man. Would have been nice.
Appreciate it. Yeah, no kidding. Thank you guys. It's awesome running into you.